2004 Ford Bronco Raptor. But what's different about this one is that the twin turbo 3-liter 6-cylinder engine has been removed, and in its place is a 5.2-liter Ford Performance V8, the engine that comes in the GT500 or the Ford F150 Raptor R. Other than the factory beadlock wheels with the upgraded real beadlocks, everything remains pretty much as it was ordered from the factory. It even retains its 4.70 axle ratios. The transmission has been upgraded from the 10R60 to a 10R80, and there has been an addition of shift by wire. So it's got a different shifter. But at first glance, you would think it's just a normal Bronco Raptor. But this is where the magic happens. Estimated to make probably around 760 horsepower. This Bronco definitely does not disappoint.